The 18-stall Springfield Supercharger is a Generation 2, and it's been upgraded to 150 kilowatts. But if you're coming to it from I-95 north, you need to look out for exit 166. If you're in autopilot, if you're nav on autopilot with no confirmations, the car will attempt to get off of the road if you're in the what we call the slow lane, the rightmost lane. Why? I don't know. If you go past 166, they won't try to get off. So I'll demonstrate. I'll actually change lanes. We'll do it manually. Okay. See, it tries to get off the road. That is not the right exit. And if you take that, you're going to go a long way, very long way around to get where you're actually trying to go. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put this back on hyperspeed, and we'll see you at the Supercharger. Your actual exit is 169, not 166. Not 166A. Okay, so here we are at exit 169. Now coming south is not so bad. Pretty much do what the car says and you'll be fine. Although, another eccentricity of going north is that you'll see when we get to the mall. So navigation on autopilot has this down pat once you're past exit 166. It does slow down a little early at 45 right here is not necessary. Alright, you want to be in the second from the left lane. So we're going to make a left here. And again, if you're coming south, directions are perfect. If you're coming from in town, directions are usually pretty good too. It's just 95 north that has that quirk. Okay, so the map's going to say take a right. Don't take the right unless you feel like going around in circles for no good reason. If you take the protected right-hand turn with no signal, you're going to end up going away from the Supercharger. So we're going to turn the signal, but we're not going to go right here. We're going to actually wait till the light turns green and make that second left. Or second right, sorry. Otherwise, you're making laps for no reason. Because as you can see, the Supercharger is right there. The camera will participate. There we go. Oh, now the car heats up. It waits till we're almost there. I was commenting to Luna on the way in that we still have our dash bars for the battery temperature, and the heater wasn't going, but now it is, so we're good. Right, so the car says that there are now 12 of 18 stalls available. When I clicked it, there were 11. So somebody just left, which means that we should not have to share a charge with anybody. We should be able to get the full capacity. There we go. This station is hooked up with one pull-in stall, and the rest are all reverse in. So if you're towing a trailer or have a bike rack or similar, it'll be a fun experience for you. See, otherwise we would have been shunted out there to have to fend for ourselves, which is terrible. Alright, then once you're in, it's right here where all these cars are blocking the turn. That was Model 3. That's the one that must have just unplugged. Okay, here we go. So here we see a Model S that doesn't have a bike rack or trailer hitch attached. That's using the pull-in stall. Thanks, dude. And let's see. It looks like 2 is open, so let's do 2A. I'd do 2B, but then we'll park right next to another car and just give them some space since 2A and 2B do the trick. Now in the blooper reel at the end of this video, I might put a little bit of what we were able to catch from our first trip here. This is now our 20th trip here. We really like it. Stand by while I unplug and then plug in. All right, let's see what we get. We are looking at, well, with all the reflection, let's do the one on the screen. We're looking at the car warming up is what we're doing. There we go. All right, so it's got a connection. We're golden. I will attach the charge graph from Tesla Fi after we get done. I'm going to run through here, do a quick review, and then we're going to go eat our pizza. All right, so the stations here are laid out in the typical format. You've got 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. As I said, the only pull install is 1A. And then oh, this is new. This wasn't broken last time we were here. 6B looks like it was backed into by probably somebody with a truck. That's how it typically goes. So 9B is perpendicular, but it is not a pull-in. It's just gotta get to the left rear of the car for the ports. All right, and with that, we're gonna go get our food, and we'll catch you real soon. But this is at a mall, so what I'll do is I'll break out the 360 camera to give you guys a look around. As far as late night goes, the Target is open till 10 or 11, depends on the night. Most of the restaurants are open till 8:30 to 9, depending on the day of the week. It's a good sized mall. There's a valet, but not that you'd really want that, and then they've also got a bunch of free Volta chargers here. So if you need a slower level 2 charge, say you want to explore the mall a little more, or have a longer sit down, then you can use the free Volta charge to top off. All right, and what we're going to do now is hook up with the 360 and give you guys a quick tour of the mall, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, so the Springfield Supercharger, I give it a 8 out of 10 for stations that close. It's got a lot to do. The restrooms were clean last time we used them. Plenty to eat. And it's got a decent amount of space. We've never actually seen it full. We've seen it nearly full, like with just 1 or 2 open bays, but we've never seen it full. And that means they designed it pretty well, doesn't it? So with that, I want to ask you to like this video, leave a comment, and if you like what you see, just please give us a subscribe. It really helps the channel out. We're trying to get to 1,000 viewers, 1,000 subscribers, and want to keep bringing you awesome content. So we've got not just these Supercharger reviews. What we're actually in the middle of on this particular trip, we're going on a tour of the city where the car is the tour guide. So check that out. I'm going to put a link in the top here. Anyway, we'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching.